What if you get stuck in an emergency or life-threatening situation, like trapped by a thief? At that time, how will you protect yourself? Chances are that you might not be able to pull out your protection equipment from your bag because of invisibility, stress, and anxiety. Until then, you might get robbed or injured. Introducing the TM100 Smart Defense Spray, an advanced and innovative protective equipment that will protect you against the attackers. The TM100 Defense Spray has a glowing look which makes it easy for you to find the product in your bag during an emergency situation at night. This smart spray doesn't only spread capsaicin onto the attacker, but also use the flash to blind the attacker with a high, strong light. With the help of a smart camera, it will take 10 seconds of video and capture 2 images, which will be sent to your phone via Bluetooth connection. The images and recordings captured by the device can be used by police and investigators to identify the attacker. It's a lightweight and easy-to-use device which can be carried in your bag anywhere you go. Unlike other devices, TM100 is very affordable and safe-to-use device which provides no harm to the user. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website at tactimmatch.com to buy the TM100 Smart Spray. Protect yourself from every threatening situation.